Welcome back with another stock video. Here we have the overall stock market heat map, and this is on the weekly. So as you can see, mixed feelings over the markets, honestly. I mean, as you can see, some things are down almost 1%, some things are up almost 1%. Mixed feelings, election right around the corner. That's always a interesting and volatile time of the markets. So be safe with that, and make sure you do a little extra due diligence around this time. Let's go ahead and jump down to the day, which this would just essentially be, I'm assuming, Friday. Ended pretty well. Majority green, which again, Monday, I guarantee you this will be telling a different story. This is actually Tesla up 4%. But yeah, let's go ahead and just dive into it. First up on the block is Tesla. First up on the block is Tesla. And this is the weekly chart. As you can see, we are looking pretty good. We are sitting at 250 currently. That is a nice comfortable place for Tesla to be. Let's get rid of the MACD for now. Just focus on the charts. All right, so this is the weekly chart. Nice push-ups over the last 3 weeks. This week we pushed down, but then we honestly ended up gaining a lot of that momentum back. Let's go ahead and tick down and see what that week consisted of. All right, so nice push up here, push down, return, indecisive to push back up. So I am looking for a little more convincing consolidation around here to then push up back to a high of 260, 264. That is on the day chart, so I would look to try to do that over the next week or so. The 4 hour, as you can see, this right here, huge fake out. I mean, this right here was tricky. Look at that push down to return to then push down again. Ouch. A lot of people, I'm assuming, got burned here. Then revert back, and this is the 4 hours. So that would have happened between just 2 days. 2 days of complete chaos. This all happened in 1 day. And then over the 4 hours, 2 days, just to end up back where you initially started. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. We started here at the 249, which is ironically, I already had my alert there, right? Probably here. I set my alert here, probably here. So 249 to push down to 237. This is on a 4 hour chart, so I'm assuming that probably happened quickly. Same as this. I'm sorry, a 4 hour chart, so I'm assuming that happened pretty quick. 249 back down to 237 just to return essentially to our 249, 250 mark. You know what I mean? Like, that's the frustrating thing about trading sometimes. Moves like that just completely, unless you would have been spot on with both, you probably bought here thinking we were going to revert, to then have to sell thinking we're going to go down lower, to then go back up. I mean, it's just a confusing move if you're not careful with stocks like that. But if we jump back out and look at our charts here, you can see my white line and my green overlap a little bit. But look what happened here. Up into that green buy run zone, back down to our neutral, to reject off of that, to back into the green. So I'm looking for, like I said, that nice big push up back to 260. I'm assuming I see this was the day the dock workers went on strike. So that's why that happened, and that's why that was really confusing. All right, so I'm thinking we're gonna probably continue our run back up. I feel like maybe consolidate a day or two here to get comfortable, to then push back up back to our 260. All right, that's pushing about 6 minutes. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you drop a stock in the comments, I will add it to the daily forecast. All right, I'm signing out.